You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking sweet potatoes. What do you guys think? Everybody wants to rule the world. Oh God. Not too bad compared to what you would spend at a store that you would get the potatoes from. So the baby yellow potatoes, $2.99 for the whole bag, and $1.50. Yeah, $1.50 for the yellow yam, which is not a yam; it's a sweet potato still. And then purple sweet potato, which my wife wanted, which I'm not growing, but it would be interesting next time. And then taro root, because my daughter likes that stuff. Ew. What's in the bag? It is the heads of my enemies. I will grow food from them. Alright, so there's two different ways I'm going to do this. One is I'm going to put a sweet potato or potato into a glass of water, just like that, and let it overflow onto my table because I'm outside. A couple things. Try to change out the water every other day or often, you know, because you don't want the water to get all stagnant. Now that's aquaponic water, so there's nutrients already in there. I don't think that's really going to matter because we're just trying to sprout some slips. So basically what we're looking for is we're looking for slips to be grown. Once we grow the slips, then we can put the slips inside the grow bag and fill it up with soil. So we will definitely be doing updates on this. Now let me show you how it's going to look in the aquaponic system. I'm just going to pop it in there because I have a flood and drain system, so it comes up and goes down. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, here's one of my aquaponic beds. I'm just going to shove the potato in there about halfway. Okay. There we go. And we'll see what comes up. You know, actually, let me raise it up a little bit more. Just want the water coming up and kissing the bottom, okay? Kissing the bottom, kissing the booty. All right, so there we go. We got it in, and let's see how this goes over the next 2 to 3 weeks. I think 3 weeks will probably give me some slips, and then we'll check the glass as well. So, yeah, that's the video. If you like it, obviously, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like the channel. And I got a lot of stuff coming up. I'm not going to be growing these aquaponically because I don't think it'll work too well. So I'm going to just do the slips. I'm going to try to grow the slips, and from there I'll do the next video and I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. I'm going to be growing these in soil basically, but I'm just trying to start the slips. So I'll give you an update in a couple weeks, maybe 3 weeks, and we'll go from there. So comment below if you can think of any other way I can do this, you guys, and comment below anyways. I'd like to hear from you guys. All right, God bless you. Like always, peace. Actually, let's take it out of the sun and put it over behind the carrots. That way it has some shade. I don't know if the sun will rot it, so.